Then you said you made your way back to Lafayette Gardens?
Right,
Was that on foot?
right.
When you got there, you described taking some money from a garbage bag. Can you tell us about that again?
No, like the money we get from workers. I save it up, stack it up. I had it in the radiators. Everything. I had it in garbage bags. I just grabbed everything, and the garbage bags, grabbed the garbage bags and called the can, and left with the money in the garbage bags.
Why did you do that?
I left. Just in case the police rushed the house. I didn't know what was going on. I just left.
Whose money was that you took?
It was World's money.
Did you intend to keep it?
No, I just need money. I just wanted to move the money in case they rushed the house behind what we did.
You said that you shot at a number of people before this happened. Is this the first time that you hit anybody?
Yes,
Why did you shoot Munchie?
for World.
Did you have an understanding of what would happen if you didn't do what World said?
I mean, I always felt like if you ain't do something, then would be convinces behind it. Plenty of times when somebody want to do something, it was like plenty of time when eBay didn't want to hustle. For example, like Boo and Dieso put guns to his head in apartment 10 because he didn't want to go back down to the script to sell.
When did that happen?
This happened when we was hustling with the workers.
Were there other examples that you had seen of someone that wasn't doing what World wanted him to do in a consequence?
Yes. It was times that when Popsy, he had left, went with the guys down. What's this block, man? I forgot the name of the block. It was selling on another block. Spencer. Popsy went to Spencer with them guys. When he left and went over there and started making money with them, World ordered everybody to go against Popsy too.
Did anything happen?
No,
Why not?
because Popsy ended up coming back. Talking to World, he came back. So everything was good.
Did you have any other examples of the time that somebody didn't do what World wanted?
I am not going to remember everything. It has been a long time. Certain things stand out.
Did you see World after you shot Munchie that same day?
No,
Did you see him after?
the next day,
What happened when you saw him?
he came to Coney Island. I gave him the garbage bags. I gave him the money. He basically was telling me like Munchie done. He got the fork in him. He was telling me that how he went back to go get me. And the police had pulled him over and locked him up, took him to the hospital and put him in a lineup, and asked Munchie was him, and Popsy was the one who shot him. Munchie said no.
That was him telling you that he came back around to pick you up after he had drove away from you?
No. When he drove away, he went to LG. He got Popsy. Then he said he was going back to Marcy to see if he seen me, to pick me up or something. And that's how him and Popsy ended up getting pulled over by the police and taken to the hospital for lineup.
What car were they driving?
They driving my family car.
Do you know what happened? What happened to the car?
They impound it.
Who did?
The police.
Did you get it back?
Yes.
How long after that did you get it back?
Took a while.
After you shot Munchie, did you get arrested for it?
Meaning, yes. Got charged for it.
How soon after you shot him did you get arrested?
Maybe a week or two,
Where were you when that happened?
I had came back to LG to go see my mom's, and when I went up, they rushed it. Came right behind me.
You talked about the money that you had in those bags. What happened to that money?
I told you, World came to Coney Island the next day and picked up the money.
Do you know how much was there?
A lot. I don't remember. A long time.
Did you have any plan? Apart from that being World's money, did you have any plans with that money with World?
Well, we was building it. It was his money.
Did you ever have plans with World to buy any cars?
Yes. We had money at a car lot, and we needed, I think about maybe 15 or 20,000 to finish putting out the other 2 cars.
All right. What kind of money had you put down for those cars? Where did that known come from?
The guy with the watch. The dealer gave World a credit of 20,000 for, and he gave him about 15 or 20. I mean 15 to 20,000 on top of it.
When you say the guy with the watch, who was that?
That's the dealer.
No, I'm saying the watch that you gave to the dealer. Where did that watch come from?
That was Wayno's watch. His friend.
After you got arrested, did you fight the case?
Yes.
Did you go to trial?
Yes.
What happened at the trial?
It was a mistrial. I had a mistrial.
How many trials did you have?
2.
What happened at the first trial?
Just everything. I just had a mistrial.
Okay. And the second trial?
The second trial, I acquittal. My lawyer went to go ask Munchie a question, and he just came and said, because he's not the one who really shot me.
So Munchie was testifying?
Yes. The first trial he testified, and the second trial he testified too.
The first trial when he testified, just in brief? Did he say that you did it?
No. Yes, he did.
That changed from the second trial?
Yes.
Did you know why?
No.
When you got arrested, did World help pay for your lawyer?
No.
How about bail? Help pay for bail?
No. Nothing.
Or give you any money?
Nothing.
So, after Munchie said that at the trial, you were acquitted?
Yes.
So what happened after that? Did you return to Lafayette Gardens?
Yes.
So when you got there, where was World?
He was locked up.
Did you learn why? Did you ever talk to him about why?
Yes.
When did that happen?
When he finally came home, I talked to him. Like, yo, you left me for dead, man. Left you for dead? I'm the reason why you home. I left it at that.
What did you understand that to mean?
I said all right. That must have been why Munchie said what he said the second trial. I left it at that.
Did he tell you what he had been charged with?
No.
After that, when you came home, was any of the money from those garbage bags that you had been stacking given back to you?
No.
Did you continue to sell drugs in Lafayette Gardens then? First, let me ask you, when did you come home from jail?
1996 June.
1996?
Yes.
What was your feeling about World at that point?
I don't know. I was just like, I just didn't like the fact that he just left me for dry.
What do you mean by left you for dry?
Left me like, didn't give me commissary. Nothing. He had so much money I helped get and just left me there.
While you were incarcerated?
Right.
Did you continue to sell drugs in Lafayette Gardens?
When?
Right when you got home in 1996?
96? At some point.
Were you selling drugs anywhere else?
Yes.
Where?
Coney Island.
When you first came home, did you see Wise?
Yes.
Did Wise give you anything?
Yes. Somebody came around and say Wise wants you. I walked around to 456. He's like, yo, what up? Welcome home. I said, all right. And he gave 100 singles. I was like, all right. I don't know the whole conversation. We finished up. I was walking back to my building, which is 433, and I bumped into Munchie. So I am looking at Munchie. He's in a wheelchair. I'm looking at him. Trouble, what up? What up? He like, yo. Yeah, but at this point, I'm trying to figure out what he wanted. Whatever. He's like, yo, I'm fucked up. Can I hold a couple of dollars? So I looked at the singles in my hand and I gave him the 100 singles that Wise gave me. Good luck. I just kept walking back up to my apartment.
When you started to sell drugs again, who did you sell for at that point?
Wise.
Was that different
Yes.
than selling for World?
Yes.
How was it different?
Wise gave me the money up front and just bring him back what he wants, You get yours up front.
Could you just describe for the jury how that worked?
I don't remember exactly what our situation at the time, but let's just say if he gave you $1,000, say if he gave you 15 worth of work, you take 5 and the $1,000 come back to him. That's an example. I don't remember what was our deal at the time, but it was like that. You get yours up front. You didn't have to wait or ask anybody.
That's how it worked? You just don't remember the exact amount, is that what you were saying?
Right.
Who else was working for Wise when you started?
Jimbo, Thor, me. There was a couple. I am really not I can't catch everybody right now. I don't remember right now.
Okay.
It has been a long time.
Were you still using houses in Lafayette Gardens to bag up and...
Mine was already packed up. Well, I used my apartment to hold mines. Mine was already packed up. They had apartments in 456 I had nothing to do with.
Who had apartments in 456?
Jimbo and Thor.
You talked earlier about a problem that Wise had with Peanut.
Right.
Nut, as you called him. Did you know what Nut did for money?
Yes. He was a drug dealer.
Do you know where he sold drugs?
Out of town.
To your knowledge?
Out of town.
Not in Lafayette Gardens?
No.
What about... You said that there was a problem with him and Wise. When that happened, were you working for Wise?
Yes.
All right. You described seeing them go to a club together. After that happened, you said that Nut came back and tried to shoot you. Can you tell us about that?
Well, all I know, I don't know what happened between them two. All I know, I saw them pulling off, laughing, and looked like they were having a good time. Then after that, I remember Nut just trying to kill me in the lobby of 433.
What happened?
Well, I was sitting in the lobby, watching the little kid slap box. Then, when I looked up, Nut was coming in the building. He was pulling out his gun. I got up. I ran. He chased me. Fired. Chased he up the stairs. Kept firing. I just kept running all the way up.
Did he hit you?
No.
After that, you got away?
Yes.
After that happened, you said that you talked to Wise about it. Can you just briefly tell us that conversation again?
Yes. When I finally...
I object. Briefly, tell us that conversation again.
I will rephrase. I am just trying to orient.
Objection overruled. It is about 5 o'clock. It is apparent you are not going to be finished, I take it, in the next 5 minutes.
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's just adjourn for the day. We will get back tomorrow at 10 o'clock. I anticipate you will be able to wrap up your direct in 15 minutes or so. We'll have cross-examination. Then we will see how it goes. We're getting close to the end. You are not going to be sitting on Friday. I told you that before. From talking to the lawyers, I have reason to believe that there is a good chance that the government will be concluding its case on Monday. Then we will have to see what the defendants wish to do, if anything. I told you that they don't have to put in a case. We will see if they do it or not. But I think that next week is going to be the end of the evidentiary part of the trial, maybe the beginning of the week. Then after that, we will have concluding remarks by the lawyers, or sometimes we call that summations, and the government, which has the burden, will go first, just like the government went first with its opening remarks, followed by defense counsel. Then the government gets a brief rebuttal. Somebody has to have the last word. Since the government has the burden of proof, it's always done that way. The government has a brief rebuttal. After that, I will come down there and explain the law to you and pull all of that together, and then you will be marching off to your deliberations. So you can anticipate that happening next week. Stay flexible. You have done very, very well. I am proud of all of you. The best jury I've ever had. I will see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Good morning, Mr. Footman.
Good morning.
Just follow up on two things yesterday we spoke about. You spoke about Munchie and shooting Munchie yesterday. Did there come a time when you were charged with that crime that you asked anybody to tell a lie for you about what happened?
Yes,
Who was that?
that was my baby mother.
What did you ask her to do?
She testified that I was with her on the night it happened.
Instead of shooting Munchie?
Yes,
All right. Also, you spoke about members of the CMB. Did there come a time when anyone in the CMB became a Blood? Part of the Blood Street gang?
yes, a couple.
Who were some of the people that became Bloods?
Popsy, World, I believe Big Jim's, but I'm not really sure. I don't remember.
Keep your voice up.
Not too clear on that.
Okay, so you said Popsy, World, and Big Jim's you're not too clear on?
No, on Big Jim's.
Okay, so Popsy was one,
World,
World was the second, and you're not sure whether Big Jim's did or not?
right.
Okay, all right. Going back to where we left off when you were selling drugs for Wise after you came home from jail in 1996. You told us that you almost got shot by Nut. After that, did you do anything to retaliate?
Yes.
So what happened?
When Nut came, when he came to the projects, he went in the building. I tried. I went in the building and I tried to find him. Couldn't find him.
What was your intention when you went into the building to find him?
I went to shoot him.
But you never got the chance to?
No.
After that, did you continue to sell drugs for Wise?
At some point I left. I went back to Cone Highly.
I'm sorry?
At some point I left and went back to Coney Island.
Could we have an approximate date?
A date?
Can you tell us when that happened?
It was a long time ago. I don't remember the date, to be honest.
All right. Well, Shen, you came out of jail after you were acquitted for shooting Munchie. What year was it?
96?
1996?
Yes.
And how long did you sell drugs for Wise during that time before you stopped?
Maybe a couple months. I don't really know. It's been a while.
After you decided to leave, you said you went to Coney Island?
Yes.
Did there come a time after that that you went out of town to sell drugs?
Yes.
So where did you go?
Schenectady.
Who did you go with?
Me. 2 guys and a girl from Coney Island.
They were from Coney Island?
Yes.
So were they members of the CMB?
No.
So it was unrelated?
No.
All right. And when you got there, how long did you stay there before something happened?
Well, we got locked up that same day.
The same day that you went there?
Yes.
Do you remember that day?
Yes.
What happened?
I remember I was getting in late. We had got a room. And in the morning, the 2 guys, they got out and went to a crackhead's house where they was selling drugs, and the girl remained in the hotel. I was out moving around, doing a little shopping, and when I came back, everybody was already in police custody. When I came into the parking lot, that's when they grabbed me.
Did you get arrested?
Yes.
Did you go to jail after that?
Yes.
Did you plead guilty to that crime?
Yes.
And the crime was possession of drugs?
Yes.
How long did you end up staying in jail in Schenectady?
I don't remember how long.
Do you remember when it was that you ended up coming back to Lafayette Gardens?
It was the next year, I believe.
You were in jail a couple months then?
Yeah, but I don't know exactly.
It wasn't a couple years.
No.
You are not in jail now, right?
No.
You were in jail then. After that, for some period of time, less than a year perhaps.
Right.
But you don't remember exactly, right?
About a year.
Then you went back to Lafayette Gardens, right?
Yes.
Next question.
Thank you, Judge. When you got back to Lafayette Gardens, was Wise still alive? Let me ask you a different question. Your daughter's birthday in the year 1999, do you remember that?
Yes.
So when was that?
July 20th.
So, using that date as a reference, can you tell us approximately when you came home?
Yeah. I came home, I believe, like a month or two before her birthday.
In 1999?
Yes.
And when you went back, did you return to living in Lafayette Gardens?
No, I was living in Queens.
What about
Astoria.
any of your family members? Were they still living there?
Yeah. My mom's is still in Lafayette Gardens.
Were you selling drugs when you returned home from jail?
No, not at first.
Did you then start to?
Yes,
Where?
Coney Island.
All right, so did you then learn that Wise had been killed?
Yes.
So where were you when you learned about that?
Well, I was moving around. I wasn't in Lafayette. I was moving around somewhere. And my mother called me and she told me Wise had been killed.
When that happened, had you been selling drugs in Lafayette Guards?
No,
Did you go after that at some point to Lafayette Gardens?
yes,
So when you arrived, how long? Well, when you got there, how long had it been since Wise had been shot?
I don't know.
Did you speak with anybody in CMB about his death?
I ran into Tempo at some point, and besides that, I had went upstairs to see my mom's.
So in the days that followed that, did you talk to other people in CMB about Wise's death?
Yeah, everybody was just saying what happened.
Did you learn who the CMB believed had killed Wise?
Yes.
Your Honor,
Sustained. Next question. Move on.
Well, Judge,
I have sustained the question.
I'll ask a different question. During that time, were you speaking with the members of the CMB about Wise?
Yes.
And at the time, was Wise still selling drugs in Lafayette Gardens to your knowledge?
Wise. I mean, he had got shot. He got killed.
Right. Before that, was he selling drugs in Lafayette Gardens?
Yes.
All right. And you said Jimbo was a person that you spoke to that was a member of the CMB. Were you still a member of the CMB?
I guess. I mean, yeah. You could say.
Why do you say that?
I mean, I was doing my own thing in Coney Island at the time, but yeah, you could still say though.
Why?
I don't know.
All right. Well, during that time, did you learn how?
You know, here is the problem. If you want to ask him, did anybody tell him something, then we can identify who that person is.
Okay, Judge.
It's okay. But these general questions, which run the risk of an objection because we don't know who he learned this information from, it may or may not be a co-conspirator, right?
Yes.
So that is what the problem is with that type of general question.
Okay, Judge.
Your Honor, I have another objection, if I could make it at sidebar.
We don't need sidebars.
All right. Your Honor, I would object to any further statements made by other members of the CMB to this witness who just denied he was a member.
Well, I think that is going to be for the jury to determine if he was a member of the CMB and his involvement in this whole world.
Well, Your Honor, I believe the court has to make a legal ruling about hearsay.
My legal ruling is that the objection is denied.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to ask you a different question. I'm going to direct your attention to October of 1999. Did you go to a party on Gates Avenue during that time?
Yes.
So what kind of party?
A basement party.
Who was there?
LG. Everybody was there.
Who was there with you?
Everybody from LG.
When you're saying everybody from LG, can you name some of them?
It was me, Popsy, Tion, Stack, eBay, my brothers and some of the females from the projects, and some other people from the projects.
All right, I'm going to show you Government's Exhibit 3001-A. It's in evidence. Do you recognize that?
Yes,
So what's that?
that's the building that they had the basement party in.
What time of day was this party?
Night.
And inside of the party, what was the lighting like?
It was dark.
I'm going to show you 3001G also in evidence. Did there come a time during that party where someone got shot?
Yes.
Did you see any part of that shooting?
I just remember when shots fired, it was really dark. It was a lot of spark. We all hit the floor, and then at some point, some dull light came on, and when that came on, everybody would start moving. Popsy grabbed the gun that the guy had, and we all just left out of there.
When you say that Popsy grabbed the gun that the guy had, what guy are you talking about?
The guy that got shot.
So you weren't able to see who actually did the shooting at that time?
It was like one. The party was going on. It was just dark, right?
The question is whether you saw the shooting or not.
No, I just saw sparks.
That is his answer.
All right, thank you, Judge. So after you left out of the party, who did you leave with?
I left with everybody from LG.
Who are some of the people that were there?
Your Honor, asked and answered before.
Sustained. Let's move it along.
Judge, it's a different time. I asked him who he went with. Now I'm asking who he left with.
It's difficult for me sometimes to understand his answers. We are not all blessed with the ability to articulate well. The Lord made us all different. But let's see if you can move on and finish with the direct.
Okay, Judge.
You can ask a few leading questions since he has difficulty seemingly in answering.
Did you leave with eBay?
Yes.
So when you left with eBay, did you also leave with Popsy?
Yes.
And Plum?
Yes.
And was T on there?
Yes.
Okay. And during the walk back, where did you walk back to?
Lafayette Gardens.
And when you were walking back to Lafayette Gardens, were you all talking about what happened?
Yes.
And did eBay tell you anything about that?
Yes.
What did he say?
We was walking back and everybody was like, well? And I was like, and a couple other guys was like, what happened? What happened?
It's not responsive.
What did eBay say?
eBay said the guy was trying to pull out the gun and he shot him.
Who shot him?
eBay.
eBay said he shot him.
Yes.
He told you that.
Yes.
Next question.
We're asking for a limiting instruction since this is not a charged shooting or situation. This is an enterprise act.
All right. So apparently I haven't looked at the indictment recently, but this is not a particular charge in the indictment?
It's not a charge, no.
So this is just part of the whole dynamics dealing with whether or not this was part of enterprise activity. And you probably have heard that word a lot now during the course of the trial. I'm going to be explaining all of that to you. But one of the elements that you are going to have to be satisfied with, whether you believe it is proved beyond a reasonable doubt, is whether this was an enterprise or what constitutes enterprise activity. I will tell you about statements of co-conspirators. You are going to have to make some determinations about that. You will hear all of that. But for present purposes, the comments by Mr. Herman are correct. This is going to be considered by you on the issue of whether or not this is part of the enterprise activity that you will be hearing about when I explain the law to you. All right? Go ahead.